Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Jamila here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a very detailed routine that I do for my wash and goes. It's pretty much the same, but I'm just going to go into a little more detail, and I'm going to show you guys how I, prep my hair in the morning when I have my hair in a wash and go, and how I prep it at night when I have a wash and go. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hey you guys, so my hair is freshly washed and shampooed, so I'm going to start doing my wash and go, and I'm going to keep it very simple. So I use this Castor Curl Activator Cream, and then for my gel, you're going to need a good gel. I'm going to use this Kinky Curly Curling Custard, which is, I talk about these two products all the time. They're just like my staples. And then you're going to need an oil of some sort, and this is really just grapeseed oil. I just use this container because I like the little nozzle it has. So now we're going to just get started applying our product. I like to apply my product in sections, and my hair is damp, but you don't want your hair to be dry. You do want it to be a little wet, just to help you really minimize the frizz and really help you get a lot of definition. So you can dampen your hair with water. This is just some sea moss water. It's pretty much the water that I soaked my sea moss in. I just put it in a container and added some water to it and some essential oil to make it smell good, and a little bit of grapeseed oil. You don't have to do this. This could literally just be a bottle of water, and that would suffice. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of this just to get my hair wet. I just added some more water to this, and I just sprayed it in my hands. Most of the time when people do a wash and go, you want it to be very defined, right? So when you put in the product, you don't want to do too much manipulation of your hair, but make sure you smooth it in, and also this helps to clump your curls together. When you sort of do your hands like this, it helps. So that just helps to clump your curls together. It helps to minimize frizz, and it helps to help your hair just be more defined. So once you have your hair wet, you're going to go on and apply, I go on and apply my product. I'm going to use my Castor moisturizer. I'm going to rub that in and make sure I rub it in really good. I'm going to make sure I get it on my ends. And also, one thing that I like to do whenever I do a wash and go, I definitely try to do it as early in the day as possible, because my hair is going to be pretty wet, and I don't like to go to sleep with wet hair. And also, yeah, I just want to give my hair as much time to dry as possible. To this section. So now I'm going to move on to applying my Kinky Curly Curling Custard. So when I apply my product, I'm pretty much just pulling it through. And then I'll also do this thing sometimes, this little, I think people call it the praying hand method. But this is just really gonna help smooth the hair and clump the curls together. So the next step is going to be to add oil to my hair to seal in the moisture. Just gonna get some of this. So this section is done. I have all of my product added to this section. So I'm just going to move on and finish the rest of my hair. right, you guys, so my hair is, I put all my product in my hair. This is what it's looking like, a lot of shrinkage. So all I'm gonna do now is let my hair dry, like mostly, probably, I don't know, like 90%, 85%, between like 80 and 90% dry. And then, yeah, I'm gonna go in with a blow dryer and stretch my hair, and I'm gonna show you guys that. So I'll be back when my hair is a little, drier than it is now. All right, so it has been about 2.5 hours. I would say my hair is about 70% dry, but it's getting like later in the night, so I just want to get a move on this. So I have my blow dryer right here and have this diffuser that I'm going to use just so that the air can get distributed around my hair more evenly. You don't have to use this, but I'm going to. And I'm just going to go section by section to blow dry and stretch my hair. So I'm just gonna pull this hair down, nothing crazy. I'm gonna use this blow dryer and I'm just gonna switch between, I'm gonna put it on the hot setting, and I'm just going to press this cool button every now and then whenever I feel like the air has gotten a little hot, just so that I don't overheat my hair and cause any heat damage or anything like that. So here we go. Alright, so as you can see, I definitely have a lot more length than on this side. There is a difference for sure. So yeah, that is as simple as that. This is mostly dry, probably like 95% dry, which is fine. So I'm just gonna go through and do the rest of my sections. So I pretty much go 3 sections on each side. So that was 1, this is like gonna be 2, and then 3. All right, so my hair is blow dried, of course. I've stretched it all out. It's nighttime, so I'm gonna like style it and everything in the morning. For now, I'm just going to sort of show you guys how I'm going to go to sleep tonight. This is how I sleep when I have a wash and go in my hair. So I think that these are pretty essential, just so that, there's less friction on your hair and less frizz caused on your hair. But I would have at least like 1 or 2 of these sort of satin hair scrunchies. What I'm going to do is do a pineapple. So I'm just gonna do a pineapple. So my hair is like very loosely grabbed. So I looped it around, but you can see I have this like stretched here. So this is something you can do to just stretch your hair even more. So yeah, this is how I have my hair. I'm going to wrap my hair. I have this satin scarf. It's a big square. I'm just going to like fold it into like a triangle, and then I'm going to wrap my hair. And I like to just put it here, and then do this. And I have this on my head very lightly, very comfortable, very lightly. It's not like squeezing my hair or anything, like my head or anything like that. And I just go to sleep like this. Now you can do a bonnet if you want to. I sleep with the bonnet on sometimes, but I feel like this is more ideal for having done wear my hair in a wash and go because of how I wear my hair in a pineapple. So this just sort of keeps it, it keeps my hair in this shape. And with a bonnet, you just put it on, your hair can be moving all kinds of ways in a bonnet. I hope that makes sense. So I'm done. So that was me doing my wash and go for today. Tomorrow I'm going to show you guys, how I wear my hair, how I fix it up in the morning, and I'm going to show you like the final look. Hey you guys, so it is the next morning. I have not touched my hair at all, and I'm going to show you guys how I, just get my hair together for the day when I wear my hair in a wash and go. So I'm just going to take these out. And it's looking real crazy right now. I'll get like a few drops of oil just so that I don't cause too much frizz in my hair. Just a few drops of oil, and make sure to get on my fingertips. And as I am sort of just trying to get my hair to, fall down, sort of mold it into place, move it into place, I'm just gonna cause less frizz. So this is is how my hair is looking just right now, straight out the bonnet. You know, it's looking really weird. It has like dents in it. This part is still here. That is annoying. But we're gonna fix that. So I'm pretty much just gonna move my hair to try and camouflage this part. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna get one of my little satin, what's this called? Scrunchies. And I'm just going to just gently pull my hair in a ponytail. And now I'm just going to like touch up my edges. I don't use edge control. I don't use gel on my edges. The only thing I use gel for is really when I do my wash and goes for the most part. But I'm just gonna get some water on my fingertips. And I'm just going to like put that around my edges. And then I'm just going to use an oil of choice. This is just really grapeseed oil. I think I said that yesterday. But any kind of oil, I just use an oil. And this works amazing to control my edges. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a little bit of water on my hands, and I'm pretty much just going to sort of rub it on the top of my hair. And this is just going to help shape my hair and mold it. And then I'm going to get some oil. Not a lot, that was too much. I'm just going to get some oil and, you know, put that on my hair. And now I'm just going to sort of pull it into a ponytail. I'm going to be really careful. And I'm also going to sort of stretch my hair while it's in this ponytail and while it's setting. Hopefully you can see I'm just trying to be very gentle. I'm trying to like pull my curls so that they can be sort of stretched in a way. And then I'm just going to do the same thing I did. So this sort of helps to elongate my hair even more. And you don't have to do this, but if you want to like further elongate your hair, you can just tie your hair ties around your hair like this, and that is going to help. But other than that, if you don't want to, you know, add any more stretching to your hair, then you could just put one hair tie and that will be good. But I'm going to get my little sort of do-rag kind of head scarf, and I'm going to put this around my hair. And so now I'm just gonna let my hair set into place. This whole thing I have going on is just going to help further stretch my hair, and it's also going to help my hair set in place, and also try and like, it's going to help give my hair like a better shape so it doesn't have a whole bunch of dents in it. So yeah, I'll be back in a second when my hair is set and I'll show you the end result. All right, so it has been a few minutes, and then I pretty much just shake my hair. And so this, I'm just trying to like unmold my hair and sort of give it, make it easier to like have more movement. So this is pretty much the end result of my hair. This is first day hair, which I'm not, no, this is the second day. I guess I would consider the second day because yesterday I washed my hair and put everything in. So that would be first day. This is second day hair. I prefer like third day hair. You know, that's probably like my favorite because my hair is just bigger. It has more shape to it. You know, my hair is pretty flat right now. It doesn't have a lot of volume, but this is pretty much my hair. So this part, I mean, it's probably still there, but you can camouflage that when you put your product in so that it doesn't dry and have this little part up there. But you know, just move your hair around, try to cover that. All right, you guys, so that is it. That is my detailed wash and go routine, showing you how I do my wash and go. So I hope that you guys found it helpful. If you have any other questions, then leave them down below. I'll be sure to reply and answer them for you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a comment down below to let me know and give a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe for more. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.